like I'm also over here, it's written, this is your chance to soar. So it's your time to fly. And if you're getting scared of flying, you will not see the beautiful world out there. That is what the analogy I'm getting, that you are scared to go and fly, and because you are scared of flying, you're not getting to see the other things that are actually made for you, just for you. But because you are stuck in your ways right now, that's why you're not being able to see the beautiful world other than where you are right now. So that's why take the help of Kali Ma if you need it. The last card is call to action. So I'm getting that he's saying like, now you have to not only do the talk, but from today onwards you need to start taking action. Not only talk the talk, but walk the talk. That's what is even written here. Walk your talk, lead by example, be the example you want to show the world. Do what you're meant to do. You come here not only to have your human experience, but to do something greater. So it's time to take action in regards to that. The action could be, I don't know why, I just picked up the deck and there are two cards which I didn't pick. I mean, it didn't end up coming. So I feel like even Radha wants to come through. So Radha is trying to say that something to do with soul flame. So go and find your, maybe take action with finding your soul flame or twin flame, or work on your twin flame journey. Maybe that is also which is coming, because Radha is a twin flame with Krishna. So that's why I'm getting your twin flame journey. It could be even telling you to take action in regards to your twin flame journey. Don't be afraid of what can happen, what can go wrong. Like if you have that fear that things will go wrong, things will go wrong. But if you give your fear to Kali Ma and go and take the action, you will get the union that you have been seeking. So that is why I'm getting, maybe not even action in regards to a twin flame relationship. It could be something else also. So you take what resonates with you. Don't like, it may be for someone specific that needs to take action in regards to their twin flame, and someone else maybe needs to take action with regards to loving and accepting themselves. I was just shuffling the card randomly, so I feel like it's time to take action in loving yourself. Maybe do some self-love. When you do practice self-love, even you will get the twin flame union that you're seeking when you practice self-love. So try accepting yourself. Try, like, this is also like you need to take action when it comes to yourself. Also, Hope is also a twin flame. If I'm not really, I will put it in the caption who is her twin flame, but I know she also has a twin flame. Like, I think the archangels are her twin flame. So I'm getting that you need to find maybe find time to do some self-love, practice on self-love.